We're doing the Introduction to Statistical Learning book. We're using ChatGPT to write like basically all of the code. But you still, the human in the loop, still needs to know what code to direct ChatGPT to do, right? So you need to know like, oh, okay, yeah, okay. This is a linear regression problem. It's supervised learning, which means that I need my training cycles and I need my prediction cycles. So that's at least 2 classes. But then let me create a 3rd class so that I can do my data collection over here, because the data collection is coming from 3 different. Like, you still need to have that vision to create those classes and to say like, this is what the overall structure of the program looks like. And then ChatGPT is excellent at those little silos within each one of those structures, right? But you still need to be able to kind of like architect it out and think on that level, to be able to kind of put everything together in a cohesive way.